Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Chatbot AI account online on your PC. And now without further ado, let's dive right in. Now to log into your Chatbot AI account online, after opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in chatbot.com like this and hit on enter. And then you'll be redirected to the home page of the chatbot like this. At the top right corner of the screen on this page, you can see there is login and the sign up for free button available. Click on login in order to sign into your chatbot account. And after you land over here, you can also proceed to your chatbot account with your Google, your Microsoft, and your Apple or your Facebook accounts from over here. Or if your company has provided you with a custom SSO account, you can see there is the option to log into the chatbot with your SSO account. With that being said, enter your email address over here, your business email address like this. Enter your password over here, or if you've forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password to go through a procedure to retrieve it. With that being said, after entering your email and your password like this, simply click on sign in, and then you'll be logged into your Chatbot AI account on your PC. And there guys, this is how you log into your Chatbot AI account online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.